welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am feeling so fall. We have a dark purple smoky look going on with this fall lip. Either tonight or tomorrow we're gonna start decorating for fall, and that is so exciting to me. Watch out for those fall inspired videos. I hope you guys are ready because I totally am. But anyway, enough of the rambling. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are opening September's edition of the Sephora Playbox. Now, I did watch the Sephora Playbox unboxing by Sephora, and let me tell you, I was very underwhelmed by the products of choice for this month. I don't even know. I already think I'm gonna not like it. And again, I don't remember what exactly the products were because they put out that video like early September or early in the month, and I'm just now getting my box. So I mean, that's just an ongoing issue with me and this box, is the timing of it. It never comes to me early enough, I don't feel like. So anyway, as always, I'm just now going to open this. So here is the box, and here are the 50 Sephora Play Points, which I always forget to use. I think I've only used them at one time ever. Anyway, here is the new and improved bags. Oh man. It's very crinkly and not at all reusable. Maybe you can use it one time. It's not like I was using the other ones before, but I feel like plastic is more damaging to the planet. Okay, see, they included a little message at the bottom. Play by Sephora loves the planet. Make sure you recycle this bag when you're done with it. So, okay, I'll give you a pass with that. Like a little Ziploc moment. And the first product that I'm pulling out is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation, which I actually been wanting to try ever since it came out. I just never got around to trying it. And there were some people that didn't like it, so that kind of put me off. This is a pretty decent sample. Sorry about this nail right here, you guys. It literally broke off at work. I feel like you can get like 1 to 3 uses out of this, depending on how much it takes up. If you don't give me enough of your product to try out, I'm just not gonna buy it because I need to test it out. That is the whole purpose of samples. So anyway, the next item that I got is actually from Tom Ford, and I don't think I've ever gotten something this high end unless it was the more expensive play box, which is the $20 play box. This is Tom Ford's Black Orchid. I don't want to spray it on myself because I've actually gone into Sephora and smelled Tom Ford perfume, and they just smell very musky. Musky is totally my thing, but not too musky. It has to be like florally musky, a little bit fruity. I don't know, let's see. Hope I don't regret this because this is what I'm gonna smell like the entire night. Oh, see, I regret it. I don't like it. Oh, why did I do that to myself? I should have sprayed it on something else. It smells really bad. To me, it smells really bad. Really bad. If you like this, I'm sorry, but I don't. Why did I just do that to myself? Next is the Boscia Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. This is a decent size sample. This is a juicy ultra hydrating cream infused with Queen of the Night cactus succulent that gives dry, thirsty skin a burst of deep hydration. You guys, this is such a good sample. I guess in the video the products looked very underwhelming, but anyway, so I'ma just scoop some of that on the back of my hand like that. And oh my god, that was way too much. I feel like I'm gonna waste that. I love water creams, especially for my oily skin. Okay, that feels very cactusy. If you've ever like felt cactus slime, before, this would not be good under makeup. I mean, it is a little bit tacky, so I guess I see how it could work. But, sorry, I was looking. I thought my light in the closet was on. It feels very tacky. Hopefully, it needs to like sink into the skin, but then again, it goes on your face. I think this would be more of a nighttime moisturizer for me. It is way too heavy for me to put under makeup. I don't know how I feel about that. Obviously, I have to test it out on my face. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. Oh my goodness. I'm losing my breath over here. It says an atomic flash of water activated heat nourishes and restores for smoother, younger, healthier looking skin. I love a good mask and I love Peter Thomas Roth. So I'm excited to try this out. Do you like my makeup?
Mm-hmm. So pretty.
Thanks. So this is the Too Faced Hungover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I've heard so many good things of this primer. The last time I tried this primer out was years ago. I don't know, back then I really didn't like it, but I'm happy to try it again, so it's a good sample to have. This is a nude stick, and this is a dual purpose matte color pencil with a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks. I don't really like anything cream cheek products, but again, I'm very happy to give this a go, or I can just give it to my sister. She's very into stuff like this. So I think I underestimated this box. I think the way that they presented the products on the Sephora Playbox channel, the Sephora channel, I just didn't like it maybe, but I'm pretty happy with this box. Yeah, that is it for this month's Sephora Playbox. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, get excited for all my fall videos, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video.